Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we will be seeing VECHAIN, VET, and of course where it will go for the short term, and for the long term we will try to make a price prediction for sure. Stay tuned guys. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course share the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go now to the Fibonacci retracement, starting from this top 17th April ending down to this bottom 19th May. Wanted to find major resistance or levels. So for now, as you can see, we went a little bit above the 14 cents. What is the future now for the VECHAIN? 16 cents to 17 cents is the next price target, and of course we have one minor resistance level between those lines at 15 cents. Okay, so for the MACD, what we are seeing is higher lows, higher highs, eventually now a bullish recross, and to go even further higher will be very good. We want to maintain this support level for the MACD for the 4-hour frame in order to say that we are going upwards all the way. It looks very good guys. Let's see now quickly VECHAIN against USDT in the 4-hour frame, the commodity channel index. We don't have any overbought situation guys. We are inside minus 100 and 100. We are near the 100, but we can't assume that we are having a very high risk here. Same for the RSI. We can't assume that we are having a very high risk before we had, because we were above the 70. Okay, and though we knew that we would be going downwards after this risk environment right here. So now we don't have any overbought situation at all, any oversold situation. We are fine, and what we hope for is to maintain this higher low pattern, if you can see here, for the RSI, and eventually go away above again. So for now we need to see this. According to the SSL channel, we don't have a buying opportunity guys. The red line is above the green line, but I might disagree on that. Let's go to VECHAIN against USDT to see some important things on the daily frame. First of all, on the daily, we have a buying opportunity according to the SSL channel, right? So for now, for the daily frame, you can see that the MACD here, we had a bullish recross. And therefore it is very good to see the blue line going even further above the signal line, the orange line. So that is pretty good. We have to see this from 23rd April. Very good guys, very good bullish recross. That's what I like for VECHAIN for the midterm as well as the daily frame. You can see on the commodity channel index we are nowhere near on an overbought situation, although we are approaching above the gray zone right here. As you can see, the pink line is going above the 100. Same for the RSI. We want to see it going above the 70. So now we are in the middle. I think we are around 50. Yeah, we are around the middle guys, around there. We need to go upwards all the way. For the daily frame we have room to grow. We can do it guys. Let's go now to the Bollinger Bands to see that we are not close on the top line of the Bollinger Bands, but as soon as we get there, we might want to think that we might have a little bit of a correction. Okay, so for now we are not on the top line of the Bollinger Bands. However, if we get there, we might have a correction, but now we don't have to worry about anything. Let's go to VECHAIN against Bitcoin. This is the main reason guys that VECHAIN it is going upwards all the way. You can see here the higher low pattern first here, then secondly we go downwards again to this level. Now we might even approach and go above, let's see the price label, above the 0.50404. That's what we hope to see for VECHAIN against Bitcoin. For the 4-hour frame we look good. We are above the 200 EMA, 20-day EMA recross here from the 50-day EMA, and we are now looking forward to go to 0.50403. So for now, the RSI, you can see here the RSI pattern that I like, higher lows. Of course, we want to go upwards for the VECHAIN against Bitcoin. For the 4-hour frame on the commodity channel index, we just were a little bit above the 100. Now we are going back inside. What we want to see now is not to get a low like this for the commodity channel index. We want to keep moving forward a little bit down, then upwards again. But in overall guys, VECHAIN is looking good against Bitcoin. Okay, it's looking good. Let's see if we have a reversal pattern here and we are going all the way upwards, because this here, right here guys, this line is a very strong resistance line. As you can see here multiple times we went there. So we are looking forward to break first of all this resistance line, make the U letter as you can see here, and then go above to 0.50403 for VECHAIN against Bitcoin. VECHAIN against Bitcoin in the daily frame, guys, we didn't see here a bearish recross, and now we are looking forward to see going even though to the 0.50403, and you can see the 20-day EMA is above the 50-day EMA, exponential moving average. That's why we want to go even further above, and we never lost our position. You can see here back in the days we had the bullish recross here on the I think 10 February, guys, 2021. Then we went upwards all the way, and of course right now we have the 20-day EMA above the 50-day EMA. That is pretty awesome, guys. That's pretty good. You can see on the daily frame though we are approaching an overbought situation for VECHAIN against Bitcoin. We are nowhere close to these levels right here. However though, guys, you should be careful a little bit as we are approaching on the daily frame the commodity channel index above the 100, because the RSI might stop a little bit around at 60 and then go a little bit downwards. So just be careful, but on the other hand, guys, we are pretty good. We are doing absolutely great. Now we can go to the price analysis where we will stay a little bit more. So for me, guys, to get to the point, because I always want to be on the point in the videos, I believe that 16 to 17 cents around this area, guys, 15 to 16 cents around this particular area, I think it is very achievable, and we can go there, especially if we get the Bitcoin to 41,000 USDT. You can now see that we made the 20-day and 50-day EMA a support level again, and the 20-day EMA tends to recross the 50-day EMA and go upwards. So things are looking good. If we can go to 41,000 USDT, guys, this will mean a pump up at 10%. Let's see now the VECHAIN. The VECHAIN will mean that we'll make around this area 13%, around 13 to 19%. This is very achievable, guys, because I believe VECHAIN can still outperform Bitcoin. If it can do that, if in the short term we can have this swing high momentum, higher lows and higher highs, you can see the pattern here following. Okay, you can see that we can actually go even further upwards. Okay, so for now, if a Bitcoin, let's say for example, moves up 10%, then it is very possible for VECHAIN to approach these numbers right here. On the other hand, guys, if you want me to say for any other short-term price prediction, for example, if we will get to the 19 cents, I am not sure about that, okay, for the short term, because we are on a bearish market, and as you can see, if we make the 41,000 USDT as support level and go to 46,000 USDT, let's say we move upwards like 22%, then there is no doubt that we go above the 16%, okay, we can move something like this and we can go there, but the point is if we can manage to do that, because right here we might not make it to 46,000 USDT, and therefore all I'm saying might go to waste. Okay, so for now we should be careful, we should be patient and take it step by step. The next target is 15 to 16 cents. I think we can get there. I totally believe we can get there. That's our next price target, and we are on the road to our next price target. Of course, now we are tending to go above the 14 cents. That's what we want to see. You can see we are finding huge sell pressure, and of course from the 200 EMA we are on a line here that we want to make the 14 cents as a support level. Of course, VECHAIN against Bitcoin is looking good. We can go furthermore upwards. However, we found here a strong resistance level. That's why we went a little bit downwards and we couldn't close above this resistance level right here. So for VECHAIN, that means, guys, we can go there. For a more of a mid-long term, guys, let's say we were about to go upwards. Okay, let's say that Bitcoin here was the bottom and now we are having a reversal trend totally to the upwards. If it happens, then VECHAIN of course can go to 33 cents, 36 cents and of course 42 cents. I think for the mid-long term, if we had to go upwards, that is my price target, 42 cents for VECHAIN. Okay, so for now we don't want to go that far because we are on a bearish on a bearish market for now, and being on a bearish market, guys, we can't be sure where we will go. Eventually what we hope for is for Bitcoin to keep going upwards, but if we lose a 34,000 USDT, then we are going all the way downwards. This means it will drag down VECHAIN against USDT as well to the downwards as well. For now, I believe that VECHAIN can approach the 15 around this area, guys, 15 to 16 cents around here, even a little more. We will see about that. That's my price target, because everything is going good for VECHAIN. You can see the daily MACD, okay, the SSL channel, the commodity channel index. We don't have any overbought situation at all. The RSI, guys, we don't have any overbought, any risk situation at all. Okay, the VECHAIN against Bitcoin is looking good, so everything is looking good for VECHAIN in order to reapproach these levels. From the time being, as we go there, I am not sure if we will be making, okay, a higher low, so we can say that the 16 cents will become a support level and eventually you can go there. It depends from Bitcoin. Right now we have signs that we can go to 41,000 USDT, around there, 42. The point is, can we go further above? We will take it step by step, guys. Of course, I will be daily updating. For now, we need patience. Patience is a virtue. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. So for now, what we want to see for VECHAIN, though, is firstly to surpass the 14 cents. We are very, very close to do that again and make this as a support level. Then we can actually move forward to jump back into our next price target. As long as Bitcoin will have this, as long as Bitcoin will go there, then VECHAIN will surely go to these price levels right there. And this is my next price target. You know, guys, I want to be on point. I don't want to mess around. And of course, if you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Stay tuned for many, many more videos. Bye.